In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the internal battery in your GMC Yukon key fob. As you saw in the thumbnail, there are two versions of this device. There's the 4-button version that you see here, and there's a 3-button version that does not have this center button, so it should look like that. It doesn't matter which one you have, they are the same device, and they take the same battery, and the whole process is going to be exactly the same. So regardless of which one you have, you can just follow along with me here, and we will get a new battery in your device in under 5 minutes. The only things you'll need to get it done are a regular flathead screwdriver and a battery, which for this device is a CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these lying around, you can go check out the link down in the description. That link will take you over, the first link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these particular batteries for just a few dollars. First step here is just look down on the bottom of your device right next to where the keyring attaches, and you can see right there is an indentation in the plastic right along the seam. What we want to do is just take our flathead screwdriver, insert it in, just kind of wiggle it in there until it gets stuck, and then we just need to turn our screwdriver until it just starts to open. From here we can just pull it apart with our fingers, and there we go. Now we have access to the battery. The easiest thing to do from here is just to lift the battery out. Just grab onto that battery and gently lift out the whole circuit board here. And now handling it, holding the sides, trying not to touch this too much. You can just slide the battery right out of there. Once you have your battery free, you can dispose of your old battery, take your new CR2032, and make sure that the battery is going in positive side up. You want to see that plus sign facing up. When you slide it back in, push it all the way in to this metal component there. Now all we need to do is put it back together. So grab the front of your device that has the rubber inside of there and just drop the circuit board in with the battery facing up. And of course, we just need to click the back section of plastic back on there. Just give it all a squeeze, and just like that, you are finished. You've got a new battery in your device that should last you for years, and hopefully you saved some money by doing it yourself at home. So I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We have you covered with tutorials like this one for the key fobs for almost every make and model out there. You can also get that information directly over at our website, FobBattery.com.